together for our contestants of your Princess Pop Stars 2012. Carmine, Jim, Patricia, Doug, Dustin, Alan, and no Angela, no Jorge. Okay. Intense, right? No? This is what it feels like on X Factor. You know when all of a sudden they're all standing there and they're all fingers crossed. I mean, they're all friends, pretend friends, because they are wishing that somebody else's name is now going to get read out because we're going to kick you off the show. But don't worry, we're not going to do that. I just need to find out which one of you got the most votes. So, please bring out the vote, the slip with the... We lost the envelope. Very professional, thank you. This is a love letter. To Alan. From Jorge. Okay. Drum roll, please. On your tables, on your knees, on your chairs, anywhere. Drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of your Princess Pop Stars 2012 here on the Golden Princess, contestant number 2, Jim! Jim, step forward, step forward. You are among mere mortals now. You are a god and a legend. Congratulations, well done. There's a stack of prizes there, a bottle of champagne. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, a huge round of applause for all of our Princess Pop Stars. And yes, you are Princess Pop Stars.